Welcome to this JomaSoft screencast about the monitoring features of VDCF, the Virtual Datacenter Cloud Framework. There are other videos available about getting started, LDOMs, efficient virtualization, and more on the JomaSoft YouTube channel. JomaSoft is in business since the year 2000. Our product VDCF is mature and in production use since 2006. VDCF is used to deploy, manage, monitor, and secure virtualized Solaris environments using LDOMs and Solaris zones. In version 10, monitoring of Linux was added. Existing Solaris and Linux systems must be added using the CLI of VDCF. To see how this works, you can check the Getting Started video or our product documentation. VDCF includes a zero config monitoring solution. After the systems are added to VDCF, they can be monitored. Each issue can be reported by email and can be seen on the VDCF web dashboard. Resolved issues are also reported and disappear from the dashboard. You log in with your Solaris credentials into the VDCF dashboard. The dashboard offers several system and security compliance reports. Today, we take a look into the OS monitoring view. On the OS monitoring page, you see all your open issues, SMF services in maintenance, nearly full file systems, missing SAN disk paths, and so on. This is supported for Solaris and Linux systems. We take care now on the urgent issues in red. The Apache SMF in maintenance on Solaris server and the full file system on Linux. Here we are on the Solaris server G58. We check the state of the Apache SMF. In the log file, we can see an invalid configuration, which we fix to make Apache run again. S35 is a Linux server where we have the full file system. We just delete the file we don't need anymore. Now we are on the VDCF management server. VDCF OS monitoring is executed regularly using a cron job, but you can execute it manually to check if the fixes resolve the issues. We execute only for the given servers and the specified component. On the Linux S35, only the file system, and for G58, only the SMF. Back on the VDCF web dashboard, we just reload the monitoring page to see the two urgent problems are resolved and disappear. With VDCF, you have a zero config monitoring solution to see your open issues. You find more information about VDCF on our product homepage. The whole product documentation is available online. Try the product yourself using the free edition. Don't hesitate to contact us if you are interested in a proof of concept.